This video will demonstrate how to use the 922S5 proxy with VMLogin. First, open the 922S5 client and go to the port proxy page. Click on Filters, then filter the country, city, and other information from which you need to extract the IP. After filtering, click Confirm. Once the IP list refreshes, select an IP, right-click on it, and forward it to an available port. Then, find the port forward list below and click to open it. Locate the extracted IP, and click the Copy button on the right side. After copying successfully, open the VMLogin client and click on the New Browser Profile button in the left side feature panel. Name this port here. Next, scroll down to find Settings Proxy Server and click to open it. Click the button to enable it, choose the proxy type as SOX5, and paste the IP information we copied from 922S5 in the field below. Click the Text button to verify if the IP is working. Once the test is successful, click Confirm, then click Save, and finally click the Save Profile button at the bottom right. Now, a port configured with the 922S5 proxy IP has been created. You can find the newly created port in the Browser Profile section of VMLogin. Double-click on the port to open it. A browser window will automatically open, and you can visit websites like IPinfo to check the current IP address of the browser window. You will see that it matches the IP extracted from the 922S5 client, indicating that the configuration is successful.